Welcome back to the class continuation video one. Earlier video, we came across Treaty of Versailles. Now we are going to come across the first international peacekeeping body that got formed after World War I to protect the world peace and to look after the development. What the three names of League of Nations? League of Nations is the body which came into existence after First World War to protect world peace and to look after the human development. Got it? League of Nations, it is a group of, league means a group of nations, countries. Why they became into one unity, one entity? It is to protect the world peace because they got witnessed maybe winner country or loser country. All faced one or other loss. That's why it is very clearly said. But being friendly is very good for all. But for our enemy or enmity are the things which causes loss. You might have witnessed the war, World War I. You see, winners are also at loss because bombarding is done by at the initial stages. Actually, Central Powers were leading; they were having upper hand. Of course, after advent of or entry of America, scenario changed, and Allied powers got upper hand, and finally, Central Powers got defeated. But in this process, when attacks are made, both parties will be at loss. Both parties will be at a loss. One may be having major loss, but at least minimum loss will be there to the other group may be successful or victorious. That's what. If two people fight and they punch each other, one may lose all the 32, but that fellow who lost 32 will be at least breaking the nasal bone of the winner, or he will be biting away the ear of the winner. Even winner will be getting a loss, physical loss. Even the fellow who is a loser, he will also get a physical loss by losing his 32. So, war always brings unhappiness and sorrow to both the parties who gets involved in it. As an individual also, we have to learn things from this world wars. What it is? A country or a society or a family or community, if they get involved in quarrels, fightings with others, surely they get success, but they will also face some loss. So if you don't want to face loss, be friendly with all. Try to be peaceful. Right. Peace always brings prosperity. Mental health, physical health will be good if you are peaceful. So we have to learn lessons from history, right? So League of Nations is the organizational body that took its birth on 11th January 1920 to protect, what are the twin aims? To protect the world peace, to protect world peace, and to promote development, human development. It actually got formed on the 14 points which were basing on the 14 points prescribed by Woodrow Wilson, the American president, at Paris Peace Conference, which was held on 18th January 1990. Paris Peace Conference was held. Paris Peace Conference was held on 18th January 1990. Basing on this only, on 28th June 1990, Treaty of Versailles, TOVA, the Treaty of Versailles was signed on 28th June 1990. Base for it is Paris Peace Conference. Even based on the formation of international peacekeeping body is Paris Peace Conference. Paris is capital of France, country France. Okay, where Eiffel Tower Eiffel Tower exists, or Eiffel Tower exists, right? So here it is a brain-born child of then American President Woodrow Wilson, who is the man at the back of his body, Woodrow Wilson. Yeah. See, even though Woodrow Wilson was there crucial in making his body, America did not join this body, United States of America. What is the reason? The reason being, the people of United States of America strongly renounced it. They strongly protested the Treaty of Versailles, which made a sheer humiliation to Germany. And with that humiliation, Germany will be surely getting pinched, and it will be trying to avenge or take a revenge. And when in future, when it takes revenge, Americans will be facing the problems from Germany. At that time, this Woodrow Wilson may be or may not be. That's why they pressurized the government, Democrats. Woodrow Wilson belongs to Democrat Party. He was strongly pressurized by the people, by protest. They all strongly condemned and they opposed the Treaty of Versailles, which is an injustice done on behalf of Germany. Obeying to or yielding to the popular demand, Woodrow Wilson, even though League of Nations is brain-born child, but he did not make America to join it, and later he lost in the elections. There came Republican governments continuously for 3 times, and then Coolidge, they came to the power, and they never cared America joining in League of Nations. Right. So that's the story. Now we will see the aims of League of Nations. What are the aims? 3 aims I said. Very briefly, to protect world peace and promote human development. I said. How to protect the world peace? By solving first aim is to promote cooperation and coordination among world countries. First aim number 1, to promote cooperation. For what purpose? To achieve peace. To achieve world peace, what are the important aspects? To promote cooperation and coordination. Coordination among world countries. Among world countries. 1. Put it right. We have to solve international disputes or conflicts. Peacefully and amicably. Next, to encourage disarmaments. Disarmament. Disarmament. D-I-S-A-R-M-A-M-E-N-T. Disarmament. D-I-S-A-R-M-A-M-E-N-T. Disarmament means to throw down the deadly weapons what are there lying with all world countries on the day, so that no one fears of other and everyone can live in happiness and free. No fear will be there. Why this armament is increasing? If X is preparing one type of missile, Y is getting ready with some other type of missile to have upper hand. In this way, the competition between the countries brought huge militarism, and that led to the ultimately World War I. So that's why reducing the arms which are existing with them is immediate activity. So that's why to encourage disarmament is also one of the aim of formation of League of Nations. League of Nations worked to reduce the weapons, deadly weapons lying with these world countries. Right. To encourage disarmament and development of First one is world peace. To protect world peace, what it asks to promote cooperation and coordination among world countries. If any problem occurs, dispute or conflict occurs, that should be solved peacefully and amicably in a friendly spirit. It will try to solve that, so that no country will go for a war. And to encourage a disarmament, that is, the countries have to throw down whatever the deadly weapons. That care will be taken by League of Nations by convincing them that what is the danger these weapons are, how they are going to cause harm to the entire mankind, humankind, by educating them. If you want to decrease the deadly weapons or lethal weapons, right? So it means a very dangerous, life-taking weapons, right? Massively they take the lives of the people. That is, in the area of protect the world peace, these three are the aims. To promote the development, human development. What way human development? One is to protect the right, by protecting the rights of, laborers. To protect the rights of laborers. And to protect the health of mankind around the world. To protect the health of mankind around the world. Got it? And not how it will be promoting or protecting the rights of the people. League of Nations had certain organs now. What are the organs of League of Nations? Same organs you will be seeing in UNO also, which is the second institution that got formed to protect the world peace after Second World War. Right. What are the organs? General Assembly, Security Council, ILO, International Labour Organization, ILO, International Labour Organization, to protect the rights of the workers and the labourers around the world. So that only now workers and labourers are given a right to work only 8 hours in a day, 1/3 of a day. Got it? Right. ILO, International Labour Organization. WHO, World Health Organization, to protect the health of the people, save them from the dangerous diseases, producing new vaccines to fight against the epidemics or endemics or pandemics. Got it? What is endemic? What is epidemic? What is pandemic? Endemic. If a disease continues in a particular country for a longer period of time, 100 years, 200 years, it's endemic. Epidemic, which spreads for some span of time, but in a country, in a region, takes away huge lives. It is epidemic. Pandemic, the disease which spreads around the world and causes harm to all the people in all countries, like what we are experiencing right now, COVID-19, the virus, how it is showing its impact upon the entire human community in the world. So it is called pandemic. So when such pandemics comes up, who are giving the bulletins related to this pandemic? WHO is giving constant bulletins, right? Now, International Court of Justice, International Court of Justice. These all are the organs of League of Nations, and we came across the same organs in UN also. And of course, these aims are so great, like we people, isn't it? We feel that today I have to complete this chapter. By the time we open the chapter after 2 pages, we are feeling 4-3 pages good. Tomorrow will come. Means aim is strong, implementation is worse. This same League of Nations was formed with great aims, but it was at initial stages somewhat successful, but later on it got failed successfully, without any failure, without any success, successfully it failed down. So then automatically what happened? It turned a cause for Second World War. Why it was unable to get a success? Because who dominated this League of Nations are the permanent members in Security Council. Who are the permanent members? Winner countries, elite powers like England, France, Russia was not given a chance because communist revolution came there, and that's why Russia was not given a chance in League of Nations. It was thrown out. Germany was not given because it is opponent of elite powers. Italy, Japan, England, France, like that, those countries, Belgium and so on, they became members of League of Nations. America did not join League of Nations. Russia was not given, Germany was not given. Why Russia was not given, even though Russia was part of elite powers? Because there is a communist government which came into existence in 1917, which we are going to see very next video. But so these permanent members only, they started violating the rules which are made by League of Nations, and when they started doing that, the newly powerful third Germany under the leadership of Hitler and also Russia started questioning it, and they started carrying the same imperialistic tendencies, and that resulted in Second World War. Got it? So we'll be seeing about Russian Revolution in the next video. See you all till then. Bye.